In this video today, guys, I'm going to be showing you the best Rivals codes in 2026. You can get tons of free skin cases, free keys, and more using these working Rivals codes. And yeah, these are by far the very best. I spent a long time searching on Google and also watching other YouTube videos, and there aren't many Rivals Roblox codes that are actually worth using. Most of them give you very little resources, but I've managed to find probably the best codes that's going to get you tons of free skin cases, keys, and weapons. So guys, before I show you these Rivals codes, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for new codes and you're definitely not going to want to miss my updated tutorials. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile internet browser. You can see here I'm using an iPhone, but you can do this on Android as well. And what you're going to want to do is just head on over to this codes website, www.crashcoupons.com. So type it like this, Crash Coupons, and it's going to bring you to this awesome codes website. Now they have codes for pretty much every game you can imagine. They have pretty much every Roblox game as well. So I'm just going to use the search bar at the top where it says search here and type in Rivals. You're looking for the Rivals Roblox codes page, as you can see. Now on this page there are 5 verified working codes, and these codes are absolutely awesome. You can see they're very highly rated and tons of people are using them. So scroll down, you can get a code for all weapons. Oops, let's go back a second. Sorry, I accidentally clicked one there. Trying to zoom in. But yeah, you can get all weapons. You can get 20 level 3 skin cases. You can get admin commands, 10,000 free keys, and 1,000 skin tickets. So just select the code you want. I've already done this, but I'm just going to click this one for this example. This one is going to get 20 skin case level 3s for free in Roblox Rivals. And this is a code you can redeem in your game in 2026, and it continues to work. So this is going to look for a valid code, and then it says basically your code is ready. You can see your Roblox Rivals code is hidden. That's because these are limited. You can see there's like 821 codes remaining. So to unlock your personal code, you've got to click on this button and just follow the instructions on this screen. It's pretty easy, guys. Just got to follow the steps here. It says complete 2 of the free offers below, and that is going to unlock your Crash Coupons code. And it's very important you follow the instructions for each. So basically you're going to have a list of tasks on this page, and you need to choose 2 of them, making sure you read the text below each one that tells you how to complete them. They're all completely free, and basically they take a few minutes each. They're things like free surveys where you just have to enter in your email, play mobile games and stuff like that. Just complete 2 of these and it will send you back to Crash Coupons. I've skipped forward, but if you do everything on that previous screen, your code will be revealed and you can grab it, redeem it in Rivals. And this one is going to give you 20 level 3 skin cases, but you can get keys and that as well. So these are definitely the best Rivals codes in 2026. Head on over to Crash Coupons, guys, and then search for this Rivals codes page and select which code you want. Make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe. I'm doing a Robux giveaway, so yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.